How to find Wi-Fi history on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Wi-Fi history on Android phone. First, then open settings and then go to Wi-Fi, and here you will find more settings, and then click save networks, and here you will find the Wi-Fi history. And if you want to forget any Wi-Fi, here just click on it and click forget, and that's it. And that's how to find the Wi-Fi history on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.